You just finished a cracking job. The customer's rapt, shakes your hand, says they'll leave a review. Then life happens, and they forget. A month later, you've got a driveway full of happy customers and a Google page full of crickets, while the bloke down the road is racking up 5-star reviews and pinching your next job. Chasing reviews feels awkward, and you never remember to do it at the right moment anyway. Sound familiar? In this quick AxiomBlue tutorial, let's fix it for good, automatically. What if every finished job quietly asked for that review itself, at the perfect moment, without you lifting a finger? That's exactly the kind of thing AxiomBlue lets you automate. No code, no developer, just you dragging a few blocks together. This is the whole workflow we're about to build. So let's put it together from scratch, one step at a time. First, let's give the automation a clear name up the top. Job completed. Send customer review request, so anyone on the team knows what it does at a glance. Every automation starts with a trigger, the event that kicks it off. From the triggers section, we drag in an event trigger and drop it on the canvas. This is the spark that sets everything in motion. Now we tell it which event to listen for. We open the node and choose Job Completed. From this moment on, the instant that happens in your business, this workflow wakes up automatically. No one has to remember to do a thing. We don't want to hound people, so we add a delay node after the Job Completed step. This is what turns a one-off message into a patient, professional follow-up sequence. We drag a connection from the Job Completed node into the Wait 2 hours node. That link means the moment Job Completed finishes, Wait 2 hours takes over. The steps run in order automatically. We tell it to wait 2 hours. The workflow simply pauses here and picks up again later. No calendar reminders, no sticky notes. The system remembers for you. The first thing we want to happen is an email going out, so from the Actions group we add a Send Email node and drag a connection from the Wait 2 hours node into it. That line is the flow of control. When the step before finishes, this one runs. We drag a connection from the Wait 2 hours node into the Request Review node. That link means the moment Wait 2 hours finishes, Request Review takes over. The steps run in order automatically. We address it back to the customer using a context field. That little SHAS double-braced token pulls the real customer's email in at send time. The subject reads, "How did we go?" The customer's details, and the body is written once with merge fields, so every customer gets a personal message without you typing a word. That's the whole thing wired up. We hit save, and because we're on a professional plan, we can flip it to active, and it's live. From now on, this runs itself every single time. And that's it. Now, every completed job turns into a friendly review request 2 hours later, automatically. A steady trickle of Google reviews, better local ranking, and more leads, all running in the background while you're on the tools. You've just replaced a recurring manual chore with a workflow that never forgets, never sleeps, and never lets a dollar slip through the cracks. If this was useful, subscribe for more AxiomBlue automation walkthroughs. Cheers.